In this video, I will show you how to delete an address on Coinbase wallet. So as of now, there is no direct way that you can use to delete your address, but don't worry, in this video, I will show you a workaround that you can use to delete address from your Coinbase wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, and then you have to click on this option where it has listed as address one. So just click on it, and then window will pop up with all of your addresses. So you have to click on this add and manage wallet option. Then on the screen you just have to select the address that you want to save. So first we have to secure our addresses that you don't want to delete. So just click on the address that you want to save or keep, and then you have to click on this recovery phase option, and then on the screen you just have to enter your passcode, and after that you will be able to get your recovery phase of your account. Now what you need to do is just follow these steps to get all of your accounts recovery phase that you don't want to delete. So once you have saved all of your recovery phase for your accounts, then you need to again go back to the home page of your Coinbase wallet, and then click on this wallet icon at the bottom of your screen, or this last option. Then on this screen you have to click on this gear icon or settings icon at the top of your screen. Then on this page you have to click on this sign out option at the bottom of your screen. Then again click on this sign out option, and then click on I'm sure sign out, and now you have been logged out of your account. Now what we need to do is just click on this I already have wallet option at the bottom of your screen. Then you need to select this recovery phase from here, and then click on this enter manually option, and then you just have to paste the recovery phase of your account that you have earlier saved in this area that you want to recover in your account, and then click on this I agree check mark and click on this continue. After that your wallet will be imported in your wallet address, and your unwanted address will be deleted from your Coinbase. Now if you have multiple addresses that you want to add in your Coinbase wallet that was deleted with you along with your unwanted address, now you can do it by clicking on this address option, and from there click on as an add and manage a wallet, and then you will find this option import a wallet. Click on it, and then you just have to click on recovery phase, and again click on this enter manually, and then just paste your other wallet's recovery phase, and then follow the same process. So that is how you can delete an address from Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.